Here's chemical equilibrium. This question's from sample exam 2, number 7. We have a chemical equilibrium, right? We know this from the equilibrium symbol here. The heat of reaction is negative. Which condition would shift the equilibrium right? Increase the temperature, decrease the temperature, or none of these. All right? First thing to remember is that if delta H is negative, it's exothermic. Heat is released. And we equate this by writing a symbol heat on the right side of the chemical equation. So copper, oxygen, copper 1 oxide, heat. All right, so let's think about heat as a physical substance that we're only adding to one side of the chemical equation, even though we're adding it to the whole reaction. Every reactant gets heated up, but this is how we think about it. If we increase the temperature, okay, it's kind of like we're adding this reactant, so we shift to the left or in the opposite direction. So if we add heat or increase the temperature, the reaction is going to shift left, all right? Which condition would shift the equilibrium right? Well, it's not that. How about B? If we decrease the temperature, okay, it's kind of as if the reaction suddenly feels cold, and if we shift to the right, it produces heat or heats up. Really, that's not true. The reaction just still remains cold, but we can think of it as in that way. All right? So if you decrease temperature, it's as though you're removing heat, and the reaction will shift to the right. So that's the thinking here to figure out how the correct answer is B.